Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add full reel to Instagram story easy guide. So first, to be able to begin, just open the Instagram app onto your device. And once you're already in here, so click onto the reels icon, and if you have browsed or find something that you want to share onto your account, so the only thing that you could do in here is to go ahead and share this by clicking onto the share icon and adding this to your story. So scroll this and you should be able to see an option to add this to your story. But that option would not go ahead and upload the full reel onto your Instagram story. So there is a workaround that you could try to do for this. Simply click onto the share icon, copy the link for that, right after head back here onto home, and then upload it and add a story here. So we're gonna choose any background that we like in here, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to add that as a link. So simply click onto the icon in here, click on link button in here, and then paste in the recently copied out link. Click on done. So right after, if your friends or anyone would click onto that specific link, then they should get redirected onto the full reel from your Instagram story. So let's story that one out. And once that is uploaded, so give you an option to go ahead and visit the link. So as you can see, they can now watch the full reel from your Instagram story. And if you think that this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.